Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a video 90 degrees in CapCut using the desktop app. This is a really quick fix if your footage was recorded sideways, if you want a vertical clip to fit better, or if you just need to adjust the orientation of a video inside your project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to rotate your clip in just a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in the CapCut Desktop app. Once your project is loaded, make sure you're on the editing timeline where your video clips are visible. This is important because the rotation setting only appears when a clip is selected. If you have multiple clips in your timeline, choose the one you want to rotate. Next, click the video clip in your timeline. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right side panel. This is where CapCut shows the editing controls for your selected clip. Depending on your layout, you may see different options like video adjustments, transform settings, or basic editing tools. What you're looking for is the rotate option. Now, locate rotate in the right side panel. In CapCut, rotation is usually found under the basic or transform section, depending on the version you're using. Once you find the rotate box, click inside it so you can type a value manually. This is the easiest way to get an exact 90-degree rotation instead of trying to drag the clip and guess the angle. Inside the box, enter 90 and press enter. As soon as you do that, your video will rotate 90 degrees. If you need the clip to turn the other direction, you can usually use a negative value like -90. But for this tutorial, just typing 90 will rotate the video clockwise. After that, preview your clip to make sure it looks correct in the frame. If the video still doesn't look quite right, you may need to adjust the scale or position so it fits better after rotating. That's normal, especially if you started with horizontal footage and turned it vertical, or the other way around. CapCut makes it easy to fine-tune the framing after rotation, so take a moment to check the preview and make any small adjustments you need. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to rotate a video 90 degrees in CapCut. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the setting is. And now you can fix sideways footage much faster in future edits. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut guides, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.